Hello everyone, my name is Laily Luthfiyah. I'm from Prodi Ppkn in University PGRI Semarang, ID number 20210022. I will create a procedure text how to make espresso.
Step 1. Prepare 50 grams of coffee. Step 2. Grind coffee using a grinder. Step 3. Prepare the coffee powder that has been in the grinder and then put the powder into the portafilter. Step 4. Attach the portafilter filled with coffee to the espresso. Attach it mouse-fit so it does not come off. Step 5. Prepare a glass for espresso. Step 6. Leave and press gently until the espresso comes out. Step 7. Clean the portafilter using a dry cloth. And okay, espresso ready to serve.
Please don't forget like and share this video. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.
Akhirnya.